Let's look at an important skill called reflective listening. This technique, it helps us connect in a more effective way as we interact and communicate with others. Communication goes beyond just words. It involves sharing feelings, ideas, and thoughts about something both parties care about. Research shows that when there's a mismatch between spoken words and body language or tone, 93% of communication relies on nonverbal cues. Therefore, it's important to pay attention to both verbal and nonverbal aspects. Here's four key steps of reflective listening: tentative opener, identifying feelings, identifying thoughts, and finally paraphrasing, which is the process of verbally putting the first three steps together, but in your own words. Step one, be tentative. Imagine a colleague talks about a challenge they're facing or asked for clarity. The first step is to use a tentative opener to show that you want to understand their perspective. Use phrases like, it sounds like, or let me make sure I understand. This shows you're engaged and genuinely interested in their point of view. Tone matters with a tentative approach. Your tone should go up, like the inflection of a question. This non-verbally communicates that you're in a tentative approach, inquisitive, and open to understand their perspective. Also, be sure to use a tentative opener that feels and sounds natural for you. Step two is about identifying feelings. Pay close attention to the emotional cues and indicators that reveal how the other person feels about what they are sharing. Step three is identifying thoughts. Focus on the core message. Ask yourself, what's the main thought that they are sharing with me? Finally, in step four, paraphrase what you've heard. Start with a tentative opener and summarize their feelings and thoughts in your own words. This shows you're listening and creates a mutual understanding. Remember all these steps in the order of which they fall. Have your tentative opener ready. Then listen intently to identify the key feelings and thoughts the other person is communicating. Finally, put it all together in your own words. You see, reflective listening, it sets the stage for meaningful conversations where you're building a respectful interaction by seeking to understand the other person and their point of view.